A Mexican captain of Himalaya Airlines has seen his work getting busier as China's civil aviation sector rebounds. According to China's aviation regulator, the number of daily flights in China rebounded to 89% of 2019 level in the first half of the year.
Gradually, we are increasing our frequencies to Beijing. We are also busier, yes, a lot more. I believe that people will like to enjoy this part of the culture and the history of these two big capitals that have been for years.
The captain said China's poverty alleviation efforts and China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative have positively impacted the aviation industry.
Developing of the economics and also to try to take the people from poverty, which is getting results right now. So you can see people now with more facilities and more opportunities to travel, to buy, to do many things. That's why it has a direct impact in the aviation industry. It's called the BRI or which is trying to improve economics and everything between those countries in China. Especially I can talk about what I can see in Nepal, which is this investment from the Chinese investors are improving or developing this country, creating jobs, creating new technologies, and also the use of new airports and new buildings, etc. So we can develop or use these new technologies by applying to training our people in different levels, like engineering, cabin crew, pilots, etc., increasing the level of safety in aviation.